Hey guys, this is Ernesto. Today I'm in South Carolina, but I'm gonna be talking all about flow posing, so stay tuned and we're gonna get straight into it.
Painting's got me feeling so high, breathing, burning like it's on fire, slipping, fading out of my mind. When we get close, we're gonna slow it down. Going deeper, still I'm sky high, giving you this rhythm all night. Slipping, fading like I lost time. Oh baby, don't stop, no, you just slow down.
Alright, so you may be asking yourself, what is flow posing? So flow posing is a process of getting a series of poses in a matter of minutes. For example, I could get about 20 plus poses in a matter of about 5 minutes. So this involves rapid instructions and possibly physically forcing them into the pose that you want. Alright, could I have you just put your hands on your hip, please? Could you just cross your legs, please? You know what? Just let me do it.
Whoa, not the hair.
Professional models could pull off flow posing effortlessly because they understand their body position, their facial expression, and they have years of experience. As photographers, we love working with experienced models because we have to do very little when it comes to posing. However, when you're working with an inexperienced subject, well, there's some work to do. Okay, so what I want to have you do is put your hands on your hip and put your hands on your knees. And we're gonna do the nay-nay. So let's talk about some of the benefits to flow posing. You get a quick series of images and poses in a very short period of time. You look like a superstar commanding the scenes with a series of orders. But you could also look like a crazy person if you're not organized and you don't know what you want. So look, time is money, so knowing exactly what you want to shoot allows your shoot to go very quickly. So if you're a photographer that shoots a lot of subjects on a daily basis, flow posing would be great for you. So what are some of the issues with flow posing? Depending on the subject that you're working with, if they don't take instructions well, then the shoot will be a complete disaster. If you as the photographer can't give proper instructions, then the shoot will be a complete disaster. Getting great poses but not great expressions could make your shoot a complete disaster. So how do I use flow posing without these shortcomings? If the subjects cannot follow my instructions, or for whatever reason they just don't understand my instructions, I basically have them mirror what I'm doing. Getting great expression is key to this process because without a great expression, the pose is stiff. So sometimes providing vague instructions can help, and here's what I mean. Get the client posed exactly how you want them and say something like, I want you to connect with the wind, feel the warmth of the sun. Look, I have no idea what that meant, and they probably don't either. So they will interpret that in whatever they think it meant. First, I will get maybe a confused expression and then something real. If you're confident in what you're saying, they'll just think it's photography jargon. Expression is key. I can't say that enough. Get that right and your pose will be complete. Alright, so here are some quick tips to flow posing. Slow down. I know it's counterintuitive, but it's the most effective way. Yes, I know it won't get you 20 images in 5 minutes, but it will get you better images and a much happier client. Go with the flow. As it implies, transition your subjects from one pose to the next with small movements and not big movements, because your subjects will get very frustrated and so will you. For example, asking your subject to move their hands from their hips to cross it, this will be considered a small movement. Having them gently take their gaze from the camera to their shoulders is a small movement. A large movement will be considered moving your subject from a standing position to a sitting position. Asking your subject to break their foundation is also considered a large movement. For example, having their feet apart and then asking them to cross it is a big move. These big movements break that flow and creates frustration not only for you, but for your client.
Painting's got me feeling so high, breathing, burning like it's on fire, slipping, fading out of my mind. When we get close, we're gonna slow it down, going deeper, still I'm sky high, giving you this rhythm all night, slipping, fading like I lost time. Oh baby, don't stop, no, you just slow down. Are you good enough to wait for me? We're having too much fun to disagree. Baby, as long as we don't think now. Slipping, fading, gone, slipping with our slow hands. Slipping, fading, gone, slipping with our slow hands. We don't slow it down, slipping with our slow hands. We can't stop it now, slipping with our slow, slow hands. Yeah, slow hands. Wanna hear you breathing so close, so close. From my heart and down to my toes, slipping in and out of control.
So, in conclusion, having to think about small movements and not big movements could save you and give you so many more options that it will just allow you to go with the flow. Alright guys, so that is it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Put some comments down below. Let me know what you think. Share this video with your friends and family. And guys, if you got this far in this video and you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
I'm so excited. Awesome sauce. Wow. It's a great camera.
No compliments for the photographer.
Oh.
Say that to the. Come on. Say that to the YouTube audience. Hang on. Let me get my light. Hang on. That's a running joke. That's a running joke in the photography community.
Oh really? Yeah. Do models do that a lot?
No, people do that. Hang on. All right. Oh. So what do you think about the pictures here?
Oh my gosh, these are amazing. Wow, can I see? That's a great camera.
Oh wow, it's the camera, guys. It's the camera.
Yeah, it's the camera.